This episode is about the fun within life's puzzles, and thank you, BetterHelp, for sponsoring this episode. I tend to create my most complicated puzzles inside my head, and therapy helps me suss these puzzles out and sometimes throw them out. I found BetterHelp to be the most immediate and accessible therapy platform. BetterHelp is online therapy that eliminates the time-consuming, puzzling search for a therapist. With BetterHelp, you don't need a referral. The BetterHelp sign-up process simply asks you questions, straightforward questions that you answer online within 24 to 48 hours in most cases. BetterHelp connects you to a licensed therapist appropriate to your needs. BetterHelp is a very simple, comfortable, and convenient place for therapy. You can do your sessions through messaging, voice, or video. Change your therapist if you want to. Use this link for 10% off your first month of therapy, and the link is in the description. Thank you, BetterHelp. It helps to think of projects and problems as puzzles. Puzzles are not mysteries. Chasing mysteries can ruin your life. Puzzles are fun and solvable. Here's a puzzle I've been working on for a couple of days. There it is. So this is PVC with a screw in it so that you can jam it into the sand at the beach and put an umbrella. So that's what this is. You pound this into the sand and it holds the umbrella to keep the kids in the shade. But that goes into sand very easily. How do you do it so that it goes into the dirt of the soccer game? The hard-pressed California sun-dried baked clay dirt at the soccer game. It's a giant screw. Oh, stop dropping it. It's a giant screw. This umbrella holder puzzle has three main puzzle pieces. 1, we need a strong stake that won't fall over. 2, we need to somehow hold the stake in the PVC pipe. And 3, now the puzzle piece is how to keep this from spinning. My mind is wired to solve puzzles, and I'm addicted to it. Each of these videos is a puzzle. Oh! This hole will line up with this hole, and then I fall asleep at night, and then thinking about solutions to puzzles, and often wake with the answers. Hence the sweatsuit. And then I can screw all the way through the wood, all the way through the steel. Comes out a little bit. I'll angle grinder this off a little bit. And then this goes in here. It's nice and snug. See? See what we have here? Put some screws in the side here. Now we gotta test it at the soccer game. Strong enough to hold a 9-month-old. This puzzle is getting this table flush with this table. I swear I measured it perfectly, but the floors aren't even. Get this table flush with this table and attach to this table so that if I need to roll it away, I can roll it away, but while it lives here, it's stable and doesn't wiggle all around. Puzzle piece, get this surface even with this surface, and I'm gonna do shims under the wheels. Puzzle piece, these power strips, which I use to charge my batteries, the cords won't reach the way they are, so I have to move these. I have to move these power strips in order for the plugs to reach the outlets under here. That's another puzzle piece. Puzzle piece. How do I join these two so that they stay together when I want them together, but they can be separated without tools when I want to roll this cart around? I hit the steel underneath. I marked it. I marked it up here. I just forgot to avoid it. Dremel. I'm out of tools. Well, that's a problem. All the way home 6 miles, all the way back 6 miles for a lousy Dremel cutoff wheel. This is how it works. You turn the turn buttons on the bottom, and you gotta lift the table off of the puzzle piece, and then this folds and the magnet clips it. So up on the shims this goes, and fold this up like this. Puzzle solved. Took me all day. I thought it was gonna take me half a day, but there we go. This puzzle is how do I eliminate the echo in this soundstage room? The puzzle pieces. It's gotta look good. None of that egg crate shit. Gotta be able to do it myself. Charlie's busy this week. No sound deadening material on this wall. And I gotta finish it today so it can be in this episode. Now, what I didn't shoot was the puzzle piece of getting the right sound deadening panels, the puzzle piece of getting them shipped on time, and the puzzle piece of staying within budget. I found these panels, Audimute, made in USA. They don't pay me. $69 a piece, plus shipping overnight, which was a fortune. Yes, I had to iron them to get the wrinkles out. And the puzzle piece of the echo-absorbing rug, and getting 2-day delivery on the rug, which Isabel figured out. Here's the echo. Before, 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 before. After sound deadening. After, after, after. Before, after. This will be my treasure wall on my new soundstage, a testament to the puzzles within puzzles within puzzles that make up so much of my life so far. Join our Patreon team at $5 a month for exclusive access to archival videos with director's commentary and peer discussions and live streams answering your questions and comments, plus Patreon exclusive limited edition zines.